Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to redeem Steam wallet code, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem a Steam wallet code, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your account, as I've already logged into my account over here. And on this interface of the Steam, guys, you can see we are on the store interface of the Steam over here, and on this interface at the top left corner you can see there are a bunch of icons available for us. Click on the games icon over here just beside the help, and this kind of drop down menu will appear where you can see the redeem a Steam wallet code option available for us. Click on redeem a Steam wallet code and you'll land over here where you'll be required to enter the Steam wallet code wherever you got it and however you got it. And after entering your Steam wallet code over here, guys, click on the continue button over here, and then that net worth amount of that wallet code will be added to your Steam account and it will be available over here where it says the wallet balance. And with that being said, guys, this is how to redeem a Steam wallet code on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.